Hello, my name is Felix. I'm sourcing manager in the UK, and I'm here to support you on your sourcing needs. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create participant segments, how to create quotas, and how to launch your project. First of all, I'm going to show you an example and take you through these steps one by one. I'm in the client account. I see all the studies listed here, and I create a new one by clicking on the button Create New Project. I select a survey as an easy example. Give it a name. I call it Test 2. And on the bottom, I click on Create. Now let's assume you want 200 participants and you want half of them to be males, half of them to be females, half of them to be younger ages, half of them to be older ages. So you need to create 4 participant segments. So you have 2 groups of participant segments. One, which is done by Userzoom. In other words, we source the participants for you. And the second group is recruit your own. So you can invite your own respondents from your customer list or from your tester group. I'll start by creating 4 participant segments from the IntelliZoom group. First of all, I've given it a name, and I start with the males aged 18 to 40. And I select the country, UK, males 18 to 40. I select the number of participants I need, 50. Save that. I create a second segment. Add segment here. Call it females under 40. Select females 18 to 40. Save that. Create a third segment. I call it males 40 plus. The kingdom, males, type in 41 to 99. Save that. And I create my last segment. Males 40 plus. There I made a small mistake. The last group should be females. Females 18, 40 to 99. Save that. And then I create a screener question. Go on screener, toggle on advanced, gives you more functionality. And let's say the study is about car drivers, and I want to recruit 50% car drivers and 50% non-car drivers. So with a target of 200, there's going to be 100 car drivers and 100 non-car drivers. So a screening question, for example, can be, are you driving a car? 2 answers, yes and no. save this question. And since you want a split of car drivers versus non-car drivers, we have to create screener groups, quotas. So you add a group here and you give it a name. I can already add my second group. So the first group would be car drivers. Second group would be non-car drivers. Quotas would be 100 because our overall sample is 200. I add a condition. So I clicked on add condition and I go and select the screener question as a condition. So everyone who ticked yes to have I got a car would fall into the first bucket. The second bucket would then be the reverse condition. Are you driving a car? Answered no. And the sample is 100. This is how you create your quota groups. You save this. We then go to Task Builder. For example, I will just put one question in. Please visit this website and tell us if you like it. www.volvo, as an example, .com. Like it. Yes. No. Let's assume that is your study. Very simple, just for the sake of this example. Then you finished your tasks and you go to monitor. Test your study before you want to launch it. You've done the testing, then you hit launch to participants. It will then give you a message saying that you're ready to launch, or in this case, you may not have enough credits. You need to ensure that you have enough credits to launch 200 participants. Click request credits, and it will go through then. This is how to launch a study. You go to your dashboard, and you can see your live studies displayed here. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions at all on further aspects of the sourcing, how to set up sourcing criteria, don't hesitate to reach out to your sourcing manager. Thanks for your time. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Have a good day.